Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we have to calculate what is the magnitude of the resulting force. Well, for that, we begin by calculating the components of the resulting force. So each of these forces, T and T prime, can be decomposed in two components. One component that goes like this, and another component that goes like this. As the two forces makes the same angle with the horizontal and have the same magnitudes, the magnitude of this component is equal to the magnitude of this component, and the magnitude of both vertical components are equal to. To calculate the magnitude of those components, we can use a rectangle triangle, like that one. So here is 21 newtons, here is the x component of t prime, and here is the y component of t prime. And here is an angle of 16 degrees. Then, with that, we can calculate tx by using the cosine of 16 degrees, because the cosine of 16 degrees is equals to the adjacent side of the triangle, so t prime x divided by the hypotenuse 21. Therefore, t prime x is equals to 21 times the cosine of 16 degrees. Now, for the y component, we have the following. The sine of 16 degrees is equals to the opposite side, so t prime y divided by the hypotenuse, which is 21. Then t prime y is equals to 21 times the sine of 16 degrees. And this is also true for the components of the t force. So we have the following. This is 21 times the sine of 16 degrees. This is also 21 times the sine of 16 degrees. This pointing to the left is equals to 21 times the cosine of 16 degrees, and this is also 21 times the cosine of 16 degrees. Note that here on the horizontal axis we have two forces of equal magnitude pointing in opposite directions. Therefore, they cancel each other, so this force cancels this force. As a consequence, the resulting force is a vertical force with a magnitude that is given by 2 times 21 times the sine of 16 degrees. Therefore, the magnitude of the resulting force, let me call it R, is equals to 2 times 21 times the sine of 16 degrees. And this is approximately 11.6 newtons. So this is the resulting force that acts on the tooth.